Da 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 da.
May, June, July, August.
Good morning! Morning, Sa. Good morning!
Good morning.
Yung ame, Dina. Uy! Dina! Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning, Tita Grandma. Kape-kape tayo mga kachika. Si Alina tapos na kumain ng kanyang porridge. At ako naman kumakain ako ng croissant. Hindi ko yan ininit kay Alisa kaya crunchy. Yan, nagkalat na kasi ano yan siya mga kachika. Ininit ko ba? Gusto niya kasi yan na crunchy talaga yung croissant. Ako ganyan ko lang yan siya pagkain. Ano na pala? 8:06. Ano yung time? 8:07 na. Kape lang ako tapos isang ganito. Ping pong! Nako, hindi na lang pala yung vitamins nila. Oh.
Oops.
Kailangan na naman natin magbili nito. Oh,
Which one do you want to go?
Dun, 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 dun.
One pizza?
Oh. Guy, Alisa's mouth is full. Guy, mayabo talaga. Now be careful when you kick around, ha? The vitamins for Alisa. You eat na your food, Lisa, in your mouth. Your mouth is full. Oh. Get water. Get water. Be careful the vitamins there, ha? You want your face, babe? No. Your face.
I'll do a flower. Okay. I can do it
Let
then.
Alisa do it as well.
It's a baby shark pizza game. It's baby shark one.
Is it?
Yeah. And then I done it yesterday. It was cool.
Nagkakat sila ng grass mga kachika. Yung mga sa sidewalk ba? Yun.
No.
Lisa,
Hat.
just hold that one.
Why?
Because Daddy won't like it if you got no hats on.
How about Elisa?
She got hats as well. In the backpack.
I know I found my hat in there.
Oi! Ay, ayaw lagi. Alisa, palagi talagang ginaganyan niya yung ano mga kachika, yung leggings niya. Bank holiday yesterday. Yeah, bank holiday was yesterday. Today is Tuesday and you're back to school. Maglagay lang tayo ng ito. Yung ating ano lang ba? Lip gloss. Matagal ko na to binili, hindi ko na to gaano nagagamit.
Look. It's cute. You know you can't bring lipstick in school.
Mama is beautiful, be or not?
Yeah.
Beautiful?
Because I love her and I love the glasses.
Me ba?
Yeah, I like you. Look beautiful.
Am I look beautiful?
Yep.
Thank you. Nauna na lang kami dito. Dinala ko yung susi ni Mr. Tapos yung susi ko binigay ko sa kanya para hindi kami. Hala! Ang ko naghanap sabi. Ano? Sabi ko sa dapat na yung cellphone ko nandiyan pala. Ano ba yan? Oh, nandito na pala si Daddy.
What's happened?
I was going to say that I left my phone but I forgot that my phone is I'm using it.
What do you want?
Lag. Nothing. I was going to say that I forgot my phone.
Huh?
I was going to say I forgot my phone. But I didn't realize my phone is here.
Hey, forgot your phone. You're talking to it. You're crazy. You're talking to your phone. Ay, ay, ay. What's wrong with you? Huh?
I said, oh my God. I said, I didn't realize my phone is in front of me.
You're talking to it.
Yeah.
So you forgot your phone.
Oh.
Ay, ay, ay.
Getting old.
Yeah, could be.
Alina's laughing at me.
But you're laughing. You laughing.
One eternity later.
Ay mga kachika, ngayon na ako nakabalik sa inyo. Galing na ako sa work ngayon. Pupunta na naman kami. Nagpahinga lang ako saglit na 30 minutes din ngayon. Pupunta na naman kami sa ano sa
Swimsuit.
ha?
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit? What's that then?
This mirror swimsuit.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Mama,
so, pupunta kami sa swimming lessons ng mga bata. Yeah?
Let's do the swing.
So finally mga kachika, ayan, nakadress na ako. Kasi maganda na yung weather. I think buong linggo talaga siya ganito. At finally naman, uy, kahit paano naman imagine May na ngayon, dapat mga April, maganda na yung weather dito ngayong taon na ito talaga, yung buong April. Minsan lang yung, I said the whole April is just, I only experience few days of sun.
Come on.
Oh, come on.
You're gonna break it.
Break it. There's some. It's
Yeah.
getting hot. No, it's hot inside the car. It's very hot.
Smell.
Hmm?
Fine smell.
Put the air conditioning on, shall I?
That's what I smell.
Do you want the window open? Down.
Oh, right.
They like it.
The heat it needs, needs using. It's not been used for a while. Is it down now?
It's better now.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's,
Very busy here now.
yeah, that's what it is.
Very busy now. I think there's something also going on
Oh,
in
is
the
it?
Riviera Center.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah, so many oldies.
Oh, right. Oh, maybe shots again.
Shots, yeah, shots again.
Oh, shadows.
Okay, tara. Get to go.
Hello. Still crying.
Hello.
The window up.
Yeah, and Alina, not yet.
Get to go now.
Chan! Chan!
Some people
Natapos na mga katrika. Alisa wanted to go to the play area, she said, but it's closed already. I got your yogurt, Lina. Your yogurt.
banana.
Banana.
This
One for you, banana, and one yogurt for...
My yogurt.
Oh, dear.
It's just the bananas and the apple seed. Mom, I didn't have a coat.
Hmm?
Did you have a coat?
In the car. Okay, tara.
Mom, I can't open it. In the car. Yeah, my coat's in the car.
Mm.
What am I doing?
You hold it. Okay. left.
I only want steps. Daddy, come on.
Okay, Daddy and Alina go there, and me and Alisa. Kalimutan ko magdala ng suklay. Yung suklay nasa sasakyan. Okay, we go. This one.
Moving upwards. Door closing.
Diyan ko mga kachika. Oh.
Oh, look at this.
Oh.
Mama, my baby. My baby.
You go even we get in the car. Oh, there. That's on. Hey, that's on.
We're hosting a lesson.
I just put this in the bin first.
No,
Yung pinagkainan nila ng
it's not.
ayan, yogurt. See that one? What you want?
It's not crying.
Oh, good. Going to school tomorrow. Good girl.
Now let's go.
Uy! Park. Non-stop. Park. Okay, that's it now. Init. 5:15 na pala ng hapon mga kachika. Awi na kami kasi magpo-food shopping pa si Mr. And then yeah, ihatid niya lang kami sa bahay kasi kailangan ko pa din gumawa ng list. Wala pa kaming list para sa food shopping. Okay, here need a lot of stuff.
Look at my head, guys.
Your hair dry?
Oh,
It's
tell
good.
my hand that's now.
Oh, 152. Dali.
Oh, wow, shell.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
That's a green one. Slide. I see it, Mama.
You see it? Crazy, Alisa. Crazy for slides.
It's obsessed with slide.
Akin, sa mga bata yung salmon mga kachika. Akin naman yung tuna. Mr. kasi nag-food shopping pa. Maya kaya mga 30 minutes na lang. Darating na din yun. Kasi kanina pa rin umalis. Need ako ng sabaw. Oh God. Oh my God. Heavy.
Huh?
Heavy.
Hey.
Sira na yung ito. Ang bigat-bigat nito. Tingnan nyo. Dito lahat nilagay niya kasi malaking bag to eh. Hindi ko halos mabuhat. Diyan na mabigat. Kinarangga na naman lahat. Mabigat pa naman to. Just put down the
112
112
Sainsbury's
Oh,
and
mine.
60
M&S.
M&S.
Dami kasi naming ano yung kailangan eh. Last week, hindi naman ganun karami yung in-spend namin. Depende lang kasi yan mga kachika kung gaano karami yung gaya ng water. Hindi naman kami every week bumibili ng water. Ayan. Look at the strawberry, it's tiny again. Nagpabili kasi ako sa kanya ng mga minced pork. Ganun. Ayan yung mabigat. Ito lahat yung binili niya.
I did it! A bracelet!
Late na mga kachika, 8:40 na. Mga bata nandun gising pa. Nag-antay pa kayan sila sa akin. Pero okay lang kasi hindi ko naman kailangan magising yan sila ng maaga din talaga. Kasi day off ko man bukas sa work pa. At makatulog yan sila ng mga 9 o'clock, okay lang. Mas magising na mga 8. Meron na sila mga 11 hours. 10-11 hours na tulog ba. Sige na muli na. Ako naman ready na ako. Pagod na talaga yung katawan ko kay nag-ano kami kanina, nag-deep cleaning ba? Yung nag-move ng mga furniture, excuse me, ng mga beds, mga wardrobe, yun yung ginawa namin kanina ba? Pagoda na talaga yung katawan ko.
My bed is in May, June, July, August.
Not long.
Yeah.
3 months. 3 months.
Yeah, because in 3 days. 3. The invitation snap. No, we are having a party.
I don't know, what do you want for your birthday? What do you like?
How about I'll have a party then? A party.
What party?
Yeah. We'll have a party. How about a play cafe?
Yeah, then play cafe again.
Yeah, I'll go play cafe. When you go get that invitation?
Yeah, when it's in August or in July.
I get it, or I'll get it tomorrow. Get it tomorrow.
It's too early for that.
Okay. How about June? I think we can do it in June, like Daddy's birthday. We can do it in June if we want to. I'll invited. I also said David. I invited Oliver, Henry, Lucy, Myra, Zara, or Sammy, like Zara and Sammy, like invited.
And then
And Leon, Harrison, Jude. No, not Jude. I think so. Jude is fine. Jude. Ellen never went to the
Grace.
party. Huh?
Grace.
Oh yeah, Grace. Layla. Not Kaylin.
No.
No. Because Kaylin, annoying. Robin, Keisha. I didn't say that. Keisha.
You said Keisha is going to go to a different school.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, she got invited as well. That's a deal. Invited. Oh yeah. She's here today.
She's there today.
Yeah. She's gonna move. Gonna move. I don't know if she's gonna move. And when I didn't ask to Emma.
Emma as well.
Yeah.
Robin.
Oh yeah, I asked her already. Ruby. And which birthday cake I can have?
I don't know what
Unicorn!
unicorn again.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I love unicorns.
Okay, tara, let's get in the bed now.
And
Patulogin ko na tong dalawa mga kachika.
I speak.
Ito na yung itsura ng quarter
Basta
to
na.
9 ng gabi. look at
Nearly
that.
9. Look at that
Nearly
red.
9 o'clock. Yeah.
What's that red? Come on.
What red?
That way.
It's the sky. The sunset.
Oh, yeah. I know that song in of the Christmas song. You remember that? I was at I was at stage.
Yung kito ko mga kachika, parang nag-iba yung boses ko ba. Di pa ako nakatulog kasi iniinom ko pa yung ginawa na ko ni Mr. ng yung ito, ginger tea ba? Yan, ang daming luya na ginawa niya. Iniinom ko siya. Paubos na din. Tapos nilagyan niya din ang tawag dyan, ng lemon ba? Kasi kanina yung dito ko nga, actually na ano ko na to, mga 3 gabi ko na to pang. Huh?
That's loud.
It's not loud. Pangatlong gabi ko na to na ano ba na naramdaman dito ko nga, tapos niladala ko lang siya kasi parang pag-araw nawawala naman siya. Tapos pagkagabi lang umaatake yung parang inuubo ako, ganun. Kaya sabi ko hanggang ngayon nga mga ano, pero uminom lang ako ng anong tawag dyan. Binibigyan ako palagi ni Mr. ng paracetamol ba? Kasi uminom na naman ako ng paracetamol. Tapos ito nga yung ginawa niya sa akin. Ubusin ko lang ito. Matutulog na din ako mga kachika. Anong tawag dyan? Maanghang na. Tsaka ganyan. Tutulog na ako. Tingin ko na. Paano ko na, tapusin ko na yung video lang namin ba. Thank you mga kachika.